Here are some amazing facts about moorhen. General information. Scientific name: the moorhen is scientifically known as Gallinula chloropus. Habitat: they are commonly found in freshwater marshes, ponds, and lakes across Europe, Asia, and North America. Physical characteristics: moorhens have a distinctive blackish-brown body, with a bright red frontal shield and yellow legs. Size: adults typically measure about 30 to 40 centimeters, 12 to 16 inches in length. Weight: they usually weigh between 200 to 400 grams, 7 to 14 ounces. Wingspan: the wingspan ranges from 50 to 80 centimeters, 20 to 31 inches. Coloration: juvenile moorhens are brown with spotted feathers and gradually develop their adult coloration. Behavior and diet. Diet: moorhens are omnivorous, feeding on aquatic plants, insects, and small fish. Foraging: they forage in shallow water, using their long toes to walk on floating vegetation. Swimming ability: moorhens are strong swimmers and can dive underwater to escape predators. Territorial behavior: they are territorial during breeding season and may engage in aggressive displays. Vocalizations: moorhens are known for their loud and distinctive calls, often described as a series of harsh kek-kek sounds. Social structure: they are generally solitary or found in small groups, especially outside the breeding season. Reproduction. Breeding season: breeding occurs from late spring to early autumn. Nesting: moorhens build nests in dense vegetation near water, using reeds, grasses, and other plant materials. Eggs: a typical clutch consists of 6 to 12 eggs, which are pale blue or greenish in color. Incubation: both parents share incubation duties, which lasts about 19 to 22 days. Chick development: moorhen chicks are precocial, meaning they can swim and forage shortly after hatching. Parental care: parents are highly protective of their chicks and lead them to safe areas for foraging. Migration and range. Resident birds: some populations are resident year-round, while others migrate to warmer areas during winter. Migration patterns: European moorhens often migrate to North Africa for the winter. Global range: they can be found in a wide range of habitats across all continents except Antarctica. Adaptations. Adaptability: moorhens are highly adaptable and can thrive in various environments, including urban areas. Predator avoidance: their dark plumage helps them blend into the shadows of reeds and aquatic plants. Foot structure: their long toes prevent them from sinking into mud while walking on soft surfaces. Conservation. Population status: moorhen populations are generally stable, but habitat loss poses a threat in some areas. Conservation efforts: wetland conservation initiatives help protect their breeding and feeding grounds. Human interaction: they can adapt to human presence and are often seen in parks and gardens with water features. Interesting behaviors. Feeding habits: they can be seen dabbling at the water's surface or picking food items from the vegetation. Aggression: during the breeding season, males may engage in displays of aggression to defend their territory. Cultural significance. Folklore: in some cultures, moorhens are considered symbols of good fortune. Names: they are known by various names in different regions, including waterhen and marsh hen. Communication. Non-vocal communication: moorhens use body language, such as puffing up their feathers, to communicate with each other. Parental calls: chicks emit high-pitched calls to attract parental attention when they need food. Lifespan. Longevity: moorhens can live up to 5 to 10 years in the wild, depending on environmental conditions and predation. Unique characteristics. Floating nests: some moorhen nests can float on the water, providing additional safety for the young. Foot adaptation, their long toes help them navigate through marshy areas and across floating vegetation. Ecological role. Ecosystem contribution, moorhens help maintain aquatic ecosystems by controlling insect populations and dispersing seeds. Behavior in different seasons. Winter behavior, in winter, they often gather in flocks, which can help them stay warm and find food more easily. Courtship displays, during courtship, males perform intricate displays, including low bowing and shaking their heads. Interactions with other species. Symbiotic relationships, moorhens sometimes forage alongside other water birds, benefiting from their disturbance of aquatic prey. Predation, they are preyed upon by birds of prey, foxes, and larger carnivorous mammals. Physical abilities. Diving skills, moorhens can hold their breath underwater for up to a minute when escaping danger. Running on water, they can run on the surface of the water to escape predators, a behavior known as water running.